Okay guys, welcome to another edition of preview. I'm really sorry. I had to write exams. I've not been able to do videos as I promised. I'm really sorry and I hope you guys accept my apologies. So this week's edition is going to be pumped up. It's going to be pumped up, man. We're going to be doing a couple of unboxings and reviews and testings and all that of some speakers. I have a lot of speakers here. I have Meizu, JBL, and I have a smart speaker. I have a smart speaker here as well. Yeah, so this is a Google Home. We're going to be reviewing all these. Yes, so I really love the Meizu Lifeme BTS30 wireless speakers. They give some hi-fi quality sound and they look so good. They have this metal finish. They have this simplistic look, and I love the way it looks, guys. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to be starting this series with my review speakers, but why don't I start with my favorite? Why don't I start with the Meizu Lifeme BTS30, guys? So, we're going to do a quick unboxing. We're going to talk about things I like about how it looks, and then we're finally going to dive into the sound department. So, stay tuned, watch this, and let's see how it goes. So the Meizu Lifeme BTS30 is a great sounding and nice looking speaker. It has this all-round metal chassis and it has some nice clicky buttons on the side, and I love the way it looks. If you want to change or if you want to control your speaker, you can just control it from the side with the buttons that are made available to you. And it has the power button, the volume up button, the volume down button, and then the Bluetooth and call picking button. It looks good. I love it. It has the AUX port, it has the USB port, and it has a charging indicator as well. This speaker looks good. If you want to connect it, it's so simple. You put the Bluetooth on your phone, and then you see it and you just connect it. So you're going to test the speaker and see how it can play in real life.
Hope I won't go. We be the next victim. Low sugar Joey, we be repping. I be you say we been working since. Try to stop on a hustle, you be next victim. Right deep, no stress, less thinking. Things that it be small, blessing. Today we did here, tomorrow we did there. When I like the adventure, we tenting.
So as you can see, the Meizu Lifeme BTS30 is great. My opinion might be subjective, but the asking price of 400 Ghana cedi for this speaker is a total steal, guys. This speaker is very affordable. It delivers. It has a very good amount of bass, and I just like the way it looks. If you want it for your office, for school, in your room, it's gonna fit your environment, no matter how it may be. This speaker is great. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. So let me know what you think about the Meizu Lifeme BTS30 in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. But before then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the page. Thank you, and have a blessed weekend.